day to everyone. I'm Ms. Rhea Fernandes, working as a lecturer in Department of Food Nutrition Dietetics in Milagros College, and I'm going to deal with the topic alcohols. So what are alcohols? Alcohol is nothing but it's the OH group. OH group means the hydroxyl group that contains of oxygen and hydrogen. So this OH group is nothing but alcohol. You can see this OL here. Okay, this OL denotes the functional group naming, and hence whenever the OH group is there for any molecule, we name it as alcohol, that is OLS. You can see here are certain alcohols I have written. One is the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So now what are these? First of all, if I talk about primary alcohol contains OH, CH3, CH2. Secondary alcohol will contain CH3, CH2, CH3OH. Tertiary alcohol similarly. Now if I tell you what is primary alcohol, you can see this OH group is attached on every molecule. In every molecule you have the OH group, and in this way we tell that these molecules are nothing but they are alcohols. Now why have I written as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol? If you observe clearly, the carbon atom to which the OH group is attached, that indicates that it is a primary alcohol, because the carbon atom to which there is only one OH group attached, and that carbon is attached to only another one carbon atom. So the carbon atom is attached to only one carbon atom, hence it is considered to be primary alcohol. Here the carbon atom which is attached to OH group is again attached to two carbons at the same time, hence it is coming as a secondary alcohol. And tertiary alcohol is the carbon which is attached to OH group is attached further to three other carbon atom. So hence it is attached to three carbon atom. We denote it as 3 degree, that is nothing but tertiary. Okay, the tert word indicates tertiary carbon atom. For secondary we have the 2 degree. This here, as I told you, one carbon is attached to two other carbon. At the same time that carbon is attached to the hydroxyl group. Okay, hence it is coming under secondary alcohol. And primary, the one carbon which is attached to OH is further attached to only one carbon atom, and hence it is coming as primary alcohol. So it is understood that we have primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, and these three alcohols are nothing but they are denoted to the number of carbon atoms, and based on the number of carbon atoms to which the carbon is attached along with the hydroxyl group, that is your alcohol group, that will help you to denote whether they are coming from a primary, secondary or a tertiary group. So here if I want to name this alcohol, I will name it as ethyl alcohol, ethyl because it contains two carbon, so the name eth will be given, and hence it is a common name, so I just include the alcohol word over here, and there is a OH group attached, so I call it as ethyl alcohol. If I want to write the Iupac name, then I will write ethane. At one carbon there is an alcohol group, so I will name it as ethane 1-ol. So this all is nothing but denotion of an alcohol functional group attached to the molecule. Similarly, if I want to name this, I will name it as, I will just start numbering 1, 2, 3. So it is a propane molecule. So propane. At the second position, I have the alcohol group. So I name it as propane 2-ol, which is nothing but the Iupac name. So Iupac name for this molecule will be propane 2-ol. So you can see how the OL is denoting the alcohol group. Similarly, this will be written as, at 2 position you have the CH3 group. So I will write 2 methyl prop propane to all. So this is the name. To methyl propane to all. So this is how we name the alcohol in IUPAC manner. If I want to write the common name, I can simply write tertiary alcohol, or I can write tert butyl alcohol, since there are 4 carbon atoms in all. So I can write tert butyl, and I'll write alcohol. Similarly, for propane to all, I will write isopropyl alcohol. So this way we will name the molecule. This will be iso because this group is nothing but an iso named group. So hence the common name for propane to all will be isopropyl alcohol. So I hope you understood about what is a primary alcohol, secondary and tertiary alcohol. That is about the introduction of the alcohol, that is the OH group. And so in next video we will continue with the distinguishing between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Thank you.